Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are breaking into the door panel on this 2021 Ford not Explorer, Ford Expedition. This one's a little big for an Explorer. Anyways, taking the door panel off of a 2021 Ford Expedition. This is a rear door panel, which we are removing. I've already cleaned out the channels here. Still going to pull the rubber out of those. But let's get started with this. These ones are actually pretty easy, all things considered. You are going to take your impact, you are going to take your 7mm, and there is a 7mm bolt or screw right there that you are going to back out like so. And there's only one down there, so then you're going to switch to your 8mm. And then you're going to take your pick tool, pull tool, pry tool. I'm using the WRD pick tool here, and we're going to pull this panel right here, right here away. It's going to flip out like this and then lift out. There's two or three little legs on the bottom here that hold it in place. So I'm going to reach behind here and give that a tug, and then same thing right there. And then one more back here, like so, and then just lift that up and out. And oh, I lied, there's four. So you want to pull that out from the top, and then going to remove these two screws here, like so. That is going to take care of that. And then these ones are poppers, so grab a hold of the base here, bring the door in, and as the door swings out, you're going to give that a tug, like so. That'll pop that away. Reach over here, thumb on this, give that a tug, and then you're just going to wiggle this up like so. Look underneath here. This has these two little catches on the side here, so you're going to pinch that a lot like a plug, and that's going to release your lock mechanism here. So otherwise that's stuck, so give that a pinch. That drops right out. And then I'm going to look over here, reach underneath here and unplug that guy. And then this one here, get a good look at this one, and there's our little tab right there. Going to find our ever-present screwdriver, give this a little pull out like so, and then lift that away. That is taking out the door panel on a 2021 Ford Expedition. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.